Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Marcia Griffiths celebrates 60 years in music. Mother's Day was brought to life over the weekend when iconic reggae performer Marcia Griffiths celebrated her 60th anniversary. Marcia Griffiths and friends at the Voice of the Caribbean event in Miramar, Florida. Griffiths, born in West Kingston, Jamaica, gave the crowd an exceptional performance, leaving them wanting more. Griffiths began her musical career in 1964 and has since performed with artists such as Bob Marley and Bob Andy, where she also created the duo Bob and Marcia in 1970. Now, Griffiths also collaborated with the I3s, a famed trio of backup vocalists, and released their biggest hit, Electric Boogie, in 1983. Griffiths has also contributed significantly to joint ventures, such as Toots and the Maytals' Grammy-winning album True Love in 2004. She has earned several major awards, including the Jamaican Order of Distinction in 2018 and Order of Jamaica in 2023. Minister Grange grieves the loss of beloved musician Desi Jones. The 65-year-old drummer passed away on Saturday evening after being found unresponsive at home and was later pronounced dead at hospital. Jones played at the weekly event Jazz and F&B downtown and was in good spirits. Minister of Entertainment and Culture Olivia Grange described him as one of Jamaica's most talented, gifted and loved musicians. She was Jones's manager when he formed his own band, School, in 1988 and co-founded the Chalice Band before that. She said it was one of the best artist-manager relationships she ever experienced in the business, of which she has been a part of for many years.
Jamaica has really lost one of its greatest musical talents. There was a musician whose skills crossed musical boundaries, and importantly, he took the time to advance younger artists, regardless of their development or their instrument.
Jones was awarded the National Order of Distinction in 2019 for his contribution to the development of Jamaican music in reggae, show music, and jazz. He was a fixture on the live music scene and could be found at recording sessions both locally and internationally. Now, Spotify's new royalty model to pay songwriters $150 million less next year. According to a Billboard report, the model will increase subscription tiers by $1 per month for individual plans and $2 per month for shared plans, and will offset the cost of bundling 15 hours of audiobooks per month as part of paid plans. Now, instead of raising royalty rates, Spotify will pay a bundle rate to songwriters for streams from premium subscribers, allowing the streamer to value music at around $5.70 per subscriber for the current $10.99 plan, including audiobooks. This means songwriters and publishers will earn an estimated $150 million less in U.S. mechanical royalties from premium, duo, and family plans for the first 12 months compared to what they would have earned if these subscriptions were never bundled. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.